name's George Klippel with LiveU, and today at our booth we're unveiling some really interesting and new and exciting things at LiveU. The first one that I want to talk about is our brand new Solo Connect. And the Solo Connect is comprised of a 3-modem or 2-modem Connect kit for your LiveU Solo. This is our LiveU Solo product, HDMI or SDI and HDMI, but the big news is this right here. This is our 3-modem Solo Connect kit. It's also available in a 2-modem kit, but now the Solo comes with the modems. 2 USB modems, and in this case, and also an AT&T Nighthawk, which is an Ethernet and Wi-Fi connection. The other thing you might have noticed on the table here, we're unveiling 5G modems in our flagship product called the LU600. So we're putting in 5G modems into that flagship device, which is our high-end LU600. And if you follow me over here, I'll actually show you what that looks like. We have it on display in our table over here. And this is the LU600. And it normally looks like this right here, and it's a full case, but in this specific situation, we're actually showing it with the 5G modems with this plastic carrying case, so you can see how the 5G modems will be displayed. And what's really nice about this is that it's going to be a hybrid unit which will have 5G plus 4G LTE. So it'll be able to function in areas that have both 5G and 4G LTE included in it. And then finally, we have the last announcement in our LU300 series, which is our mid-level HEVC unit. We have the ability now that we're an AT&T partner to sell what are called AT&T priority SIMs. They're DTM SIMs that can go in this unit and our high-end LU600, which give you prioritization on the AT&T carrier spectrum. So you'll actually be able to connect and stream higher priority than what other cell phones have and other competitors have by using these AT&T DTM priority SIMs. So we're really excited to be showing the 300 and the Solo and Solo Connect kit and the LU600 at our booth today.